Good evening, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. I would be remiss if I didn't make a video with the Lasko Sans light kit. So let's take it for a test spin. Yeah, 'cause the light kit is an option, came with the box. In fact, I don't know if it's an option. I think it came standard with it. But it has this little itty bitty switch cap that yeah, this came with the fan as well in case you didn't want to install it with the light. I was trying to get my Lasko window fan in the same shot. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Please do like and subscribe. Good night and good luck.